Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friend, today in this video I will show you how you can install apps on your SD card on your external storage. If you want to install any new app on your external storage, then there is one setting in your Realme mobile phone. So I am making this video in Realme mobile phone, so I will show you. First of all, you can see I am using Realme mobile phone for making this video. So in this mobile phone you will get one option to install the apps on your SD card. So first of all, you have to enable the developer option. You will get developer option inside this version. Click on this build number 7 8 times. After that, your developer option will be get enabled. Now come back and click on this additional settings, and here you can see developer option is here. So just open this developer option which you have enabled. So just go to the bottom, and here you will get one option here, this one which I have enabled, force allow app on external storage. Just enable these options from here. After that, whenever you are installing any new app, that app will get directly installed on your external storage, your SD card. So hope friend this video is helpful for you. If this is helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.